All right, guys, we have a bombshell sponsor. I would like to thank Ellie Pearl for sponsoring today's video. So guys, Ellie Pearl sent over this gorgeous 12-inch wig. It is so pretty. Guys, the density on this wig is 250%. It is so thick and so gorgeous. And I wanted to style it kind of like the Lori Harvey-esque type of look because I love her bob so much. Guys, this is so pretty. Another thing that I want to throw in really quickly is that, guys, this is the HD lace. So I did trim the lace off, but what I actually noticed after I trimmed the lace off is if you don't want to go really heavy with adhesive or hairspray, you don't have to because of the internal strap on the wig. So the internal elastic band that goes around your ears, it is so snug and it conforms to your head, which gives you the option to not use as much hairspray on the wig or as much adhesive. Guys, this unit is so gorgeous. It's so sophisticated. Look at the body. Look at the body. It is so pretty. But anyway, I could go on and on and on about this gorgeous unit, but if you guys would like to see how I was able to style it, then please stay tuned. Guys, what I'm gonna do is make sure that I link all of the details in the description box below. And if Ellie Pearl is gracious enough to offer us an additional discount code, I'll link that below as well. Once again, I would like to thank Ellie Pearl for sponsoring today's video, and roll that beautiful bean footage rock.
Baby, how you doing? Hope that you find what I know what you got in mind now. Got me feeling like you're the seagull, I can't leave you alone. Take a shot of this here Patron and it's gonna be on. VIP done got way too crowded. I'm about to end up calling it a night. You should holler at your girl, tell her you're shaking the scene. Pull off beep beep shotgun in a GT with me. She said, oh, I'm ready to ride. Cause once you get inside, you can't change your mind. Don't mean to sound impatient, but you gotta promise, baby. Oh, tell me again, my baby. Gotta know, baby, oh yeah, oh. Tell me again, my baby, ooh. Oh, it's a good look, baby. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Up in the place, I see you getting down. Can't help but look at you, got a crowd around you. You're the baddest thing I've seen tonight. Come on, girl, let's put it in flight. I got the V12600 sitting outside of the door. So bring it on, let the way your body's blazed for. There's a little something that a nigga craves for. It's a 3:15, girl, what you gon' do? Shorty got her eyes on me. Keep your eyes on me. Say, what you gon' do? Tell them that you're right away. It's a 3:15, what's it gon' be? Shorty got her eyes on me. You've been frontin' since 2. What you gon' do? I'll be chillin' at the embassy. Let's turn the lights on. You're the kind of love I think I'll fall for. A flawless garden with no ego. I'm your cup of coffee, you be my sweet and low. Hey, you a different babe on a different way. I know what you want, no need to explain. You give me your heart and mine in exchange. It's a risk to take, but real love ain't safe. Hey. Yeah, real love ain't safe. Oh, real love ain't safe, no.